Welcome to our lesson on viewpoints in data science. Today, we will explore how to work with different data sources and types effectively. Viewpoints are essential perspectives on data that enhance our analysis. They help in interpreting varied data efficiently, which is crucial for informed decision-making. Data sources can be classified into primary and secondary. Primary data is collected firsthand through methods like surveys, while secondary data comes from existing reports and databases. Data types are broadly categorized into quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative data is numerical and measurable, while qualitative data describes qualities and is often subjective. Visualizing data is essential for understanding complex information. It helps in making data-driven decisions more accessible and interpretable. Integrating data from various sources is vital for comprehensive analysis. Merging data enhances insights, while cleaning ensures accuracy before any analysis begins. This quote highlights the value of data and the importance of viewpoints in deriving insights. Remember this as you work with varied data sources. Challenges in data analysis include maintaining data quality and ensuring accessibility to diverse sources. Addressing these issues is crucial for accurate and effective analysis. Utilizing the right tools is essential for effective data analysis. Software like Excel and R assists in manipulation, while visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI enhance data representation. Implementing best practices in data handling is crucial. Always document your sources for transparency and ensure regular updates to maintain relevance in your analysis. Understanding viewpoints in data science has real-world applications. From business to healthcare, effective data analysis drives decision-making. In a business context, data-driven decisions are essential. By analyzing customer behavior through data, companies can enhance their marketing strategies effectively. Ethics play a vital role in data usage. Respecting user privacy and mitigating bias in data analysis are essential for responsible handling. This quote emphasizes the importance of ethics in data usage. As you work with data, remember that ethical practices build trust. The future of data science is being shaped by trends like AI integration and the rise of big data. These developments present both challenges and opportunities for data analysis. To summarize, understanding viewpoints is crucial for effective data analysis. Working with diverse data sources enriches insights and enhances our analytical capabilities. As you continue your journey, practice hands-on data analysis to apply your knowledge. Exploring various tools will further enhance your skills in data science. Consider exploring additional resources for further learning. Books, online courses, and articles can provide deeper insights into data science. Engaging with the data science community is beneficial. Networking can open new opportunities, and collaboration enhances your learning experience. This quote encapsulates the essence of data science. Remember that the journey is ongoing, and continuous learning is key. In conclusion, we've covered the importance of viewpoints in data analysis. Thank you for participating in this lesson on working with varied data sources and types. We value your feedback on this lesson. Sharing your thoughts helps us improve, and staying connected allows for ongoing learning opportunities. As we wrap up, keep exploring the vast field of data science. Applying your knowledge in real-world scenarios will enhance your understanding. Thank you for participating in this lesson. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to seeing you in future lessons.